You can get into each student's lessons a couple of different ways. I think the easiest way is to click on students up here and then gradebook by classroom, and I just click my homeroom. And then I pick whatever the subject is that they're asking about. So he was asking about math. I would just click math and click go to gradebook. Loading and pops up. You can change the unit up here at the top, and then you can pick whatever lesson it is from the top of the screen. And you click on it, it'll bring up the same lesson the way the students would see it, and you can just kind of click through the arrows to see what it is that they are asking about or looking for. Hope that helps.